The sample cash flow for October shows 5 areas. The left hand is just simply the day by day date. The second section is the transaction item. The third section, this section is based on 3 bank accounts and is where the transaction amounts, inputs and outputs are entered. The fourth section is the bank balances of those same 3 banks, and the last section is the total in savings available. Looking at the first section of the spreadsheet, we have a few normal entries, and then we have an entry out of bank 3 of 2,300, which drives the balance to negative 300. So immediately that's a flag, something has to be done about it. In this case, the solution prior to the bank 3 going negative was to do a cash transfer out of bank 2 into bank 3. Having made this transfer, you can now see that on the 6th of October, when the car repairs of 2,300 out of bank 3 still remains positive at $100. This sheet shows a further problem transaction on the 21st of October when a new car is purchased for $42,000. This drives bank 3 into negative 41,900 and also the total savings into 35,800. So we have to have a solution to prevent these 2 negative columns. The solution here was that on the 18th of October we sold shares to the value of $40,000 and deposited that in bank 3's account, and when the new car was purchased we're still negative $1,900 in bank 3, but we've kept the total at $4,200. So also before this date of the 21st of October we would need to make another transaction, a transfer out of either bank 1 or bank 2 to sort of pick up that $1,900 shortfall in bank 3.